Now let's talk about making your own file in Python. Open your shell here, just go onto this file and select new file. What will it does is this open this and you can place it over here, so you'll get this file. I've already opened it up, so I'll close it. And now suppose we'll write this a file. Suppose we want to write print Python is great language, and then another line I want to print is I love Python. So now what will this do is this will print both these lines together. You remember what we were doing here is, if we wanted to print a line, suppose this, we first wrote this line, and when we press enter it gets printed, and then we were able to print another line. So what will happen is, we'll first save the file. Let's save. uh, you want to save, write the file name temp or whatever you feel like, and make sure you write the extension .py, because Python files contain the extension .py, and just save it, and then go to this run option and select run module. Once you click that, you will see that Python is a great language. I love Python. You will see both the statement gets executed simultaneously. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, so stay tuned.